Hey, how's it everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you on how to model a window from an existing window. Basically, this is the window I have, so I want to model this window from this window into this window, the PTT 186 if I'm not mistaken. So the measurement is 1.5 by 600. So what we do, this is a straightforward tutorial. So by the end of this tutorial, everyone will be able to do what I did to get what I want. So let's say you put these windows, but it's not the window that you want. So you just come here and you double click on this window. Once you have this window like this, you set up your main frame, which will be 1500 by 600. So what we're doing is we're doing this. Oh, I made a mistake, but it's fine. What we can do is this. What we can do is this, but don't do like how I did, just that I delete those, but this is how we do it. Now you see that my panel is hidden. Now to reveal it, I need to increase my extrusion for this opening, which how I do it, we say 600 plus 1.2, which is 1.8, exactly right there. But however, I forgot to, oh, did I do 1.5? I think I'm mistaken here. Let's see, 1.5. Yeah, it's 1.5. So I did sorry, I did 1.8. It's fine then. This is what we have. So to do the frames, we're going to do them in a simpler way but accurate. So this is so straightforward. Let's see if these ones can fit before we do measurements. They can't, unfortunately they can't, so we have to measure. So I did the measurements before. I found them to be 57,33. from here to there must be 57,33. so let's do this. 537,33. sorry about that again. So this is basically what we have, even though that, so it won't do if this is not straight. I'm sorry also again about that. So I have my oh, sorry again. I'm trying to be as quick as I can, guys. We are almost done here with our tutorial. I don't know why it's doing that, but oh, you see. So we can just come here and copy this 53. What did I do? Maybe I made a mistake. Oh, I'm doing this one of 1.8 and I'm confusing with this one. I'm sorry guys, it's 1.8. So I was right there by that 1.8 because I've done this window before, just that I'm confusing myself. However, don't worry about that. So from here we're going to add 300 to get exactly what we want. You see, so even that mistake, you won't even see that I made a mistake, because I'm good at what I do. So now we're doing the glass, right? And don't forget to hide this glass. I think we have, oh, I remember now. Let's do the glass first and then we go and delete that little guy there. So I like doing the glass the normal way of doing glass, how realistically they would be on a window. It's like this. However, because they are sitting on these window frames, so I'm not doing it correct though, because it won't do, but it will do because I do like this and I copy. because if I don't copy them, I want to. All right, so this one will open like this, and this one will open like this, and then you have your window. So you load it into project. Do you want to save changes made? Yes. Do you want to replace the existing file? No. And then you come here, you get a chance to create your own window, which is PTT 186, just to be sure. So we're going to say PTT 186. So all this window I just created today, and you save, and let's just double check the name again. Let's save the project. Yes, it's PTT 186. Is this window we're doing 1.8 by 600. Yes, that's about it, guys. Oh, I think it's not okay. I still have to correct some stuff, so let me put it here and correct these things that I forgot to delete. I just do like this because I want something to be, professional, you see. So here I can say yes, I want to replace because the previous one was incorrect. You see, we just did this window, guys. We did this window together. You can do it also from your side and come and thank me later. Yes, thank you guys for tuning into my YouTube channel. Until next time, thank you very much. Ciao.